Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install MSYS2 and configure it in Visual Studio Code to run C or C++ programming. So for that you need to go to favorite browser and to download Visual Studio Code. It is very easy, you just go to the official site of Visual Studio Code, you download their product and you install it. If you are facing any difficulty, please do follow this video, that will help you to install your Visual Studio Code. Once you have that, next step is to install MinGW. You can always refer to this tutorial, so you need to go to docs and you can switch to this C++ then GCC on Windows tutorial and you can refer it for more information. I'm going to also show you all the steps in this video itself, so nothing to worry about. First, install your Visual Studio Code. So here is our Visual Studio Code. I'm going to launch it. Here is our Visual Studio Code. Here I need to go to these extensions. I have to type C, that will show you the C or C++ developed by Microsoft extension. So you need to click on install to install this extension. So it's rightly installed. Next you need to go to your browser and to open a new tab and to install MSYS2. So just simply click on MSYS2 download, hit enter and go to their official site of MSYS2. Here you will get a download button. So just simply click on this installer and it is rightly started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply click on this installer. You can minimize your browser. You can also minimize your Visual Studio Code and here just simply click on next. Click on next again click on next and it's going to start installing our MSYS2. And there you go. You can see that our MSYS2 is now rightly installed. So run MSYS2, just simply click on finish. That's going to run our MSYS2. Here to install MinGW Compiler, you need to run this command. This command I am going to put right on our video description. So you need to copy this command from our video description and you need to just paste it over here. Hit enter after that. That's going to show you this prompt. Here just simply click on enter and type Y and hit enter again. And there you go. You can see that it is rightly installed. Next step is you need to set this path, so you can close all this. You have to go to your C drive and here you will get this MSYS2. Just simply go inside. You will get a UCRT64 folder. Go inside and you will get a bin folder again. Again go inside and you have to select this path and right click and copy. This is what you need to put on your environment variable. So go to search and type environ. That will show you edit system environment variable. Go there, click on environment variable and you will get path over here. So click on that, click on edit and click on new over here and paste that path over here. That's it. Now click on OK, then again OK and again OK. Now if you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type gcc -- version and hit enter, you are going to get this type of prompt. So that's how you install your compiler. Now let's do a bit of coding. So you need to fire up your Visual Studio Code. So just restart it, close the previous instance and open Visual Studio Code again. This restart is sometimes important when you are installing a compiler. Next you need to go to search and you need to click on the show and run commands. Here when you scroll down you will get the C++ select IntelliSense configuration. So click on that. That will show you this use gcc.exe. So we have set this path on our environment variable, so that's why it is showing up over here. So select that. And now let's open our folder. And on our desktop, I'm going to create a C proc file. Select that folder. I browse the authors and hover over this plus icon and click on it to create a new file. So prog.c or C++, anything you want, you can just create that. Here is our simple C program. So just save this file. And click on this drop down arrow and click on run C or C++ file. Select the compiler. It's going to start building our project. Build finish. So you switch to terminal and you are going to get that output. So that's how you run C or C++ program on Visual Studio Code. If you are stuck anywhere, please do follow my video again. Or you can also refer to this documentation by Visual Studio Code, the official documentation. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. You can also join to our community. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyskill.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.